Now let's demo the if statement. Let's provide a test. Since the if statement is used to make a decision, we build our test by assigning a value to a variable such as int age equal 34. Start by writing if. We have the option of writing our if statement from scratch or use IntelliSense. You can click Control Space to bring up IntelliSense. We see an if and if-else statement. I am going to select if, and you see the syntax is already designed for us. The condition will be our test where our program flow must make a decision. For our condition, let's go ahead and write if age equal 24. Remember from the ninth video, Java variables and operators? One equal symbol assigns a value like int age equal 34, but two equal symbols perform our test to verify if age equals a certain value like 24. In this test, age is not equal to 24. Next, we have our statement, which is also called a body. Sys out. What do we want our program to do? If age equals 24, then print age equal 24. Let's run. We do not see an output printed to the console because the condition was not true. The statement for if condition only executes if the condition returns true. This statement returns false. Let's copy and paste. Then change 24 to 34. Let's run again. Now we see an output because age is 34. However, writing two if conditions is not efficient for our program. Let's implement an if then else statement, which is more efficient.